I started using drugs when I was 12 years old. By the age of 14, I started regularly smoking meth. I got arrested because I was selling drugs. When I was in jail, I found out I was pregnant, and because of that, they let me out on pretrial release to the Lydia house. For so many years, I had little boundaries with people in my life, very unhealthy relationships and patterns. Watching the Global Leadership Summit, it gave me the power to stand up for myself, the power to unmake promises to not only myself, but to other people that I just had to let go. And I realized that if I'm not taking care of myself, how am I gonna lead people? How am I gonna be able to influence people in the right way? Once I built better boundaries in my life and I was graduating the program at the Lydia house, I got a job, I got an apartment, I started spending a bunch of time with my kids, and now I have this reborn confidence that I can put into other people. God is already using me to help other women that are going through things like loss of children, are engulfed in drugs or unhealthy relationships, to be able to reach out to other women and point them in the right direction, to just be the shoulder to lean on. I am just so grateful that I got to watch it, and the lives that it has touched and can touch, how much of an impact it's made on my life. I just want to say thank you to everybody who donated. It's been a life-changing thing for me. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for that.